Welcome to Learning at Your Pace. Before I start this video, I would like to ask you a question. Are you facing any struggles for exam? Ever felt overwhelmed by exams? Or can't focus on studies? Here I'm going to share few tips and tricks of effective studying. Here the main objective of this video is to improve learning efficiency and effectiveness. Technique number 1, time management. Time management is very important for exam success and mental health. First, you need to create a study schedule. Break down large tasks into smaller, manageable chunks. Use a planner or a calendar to track assignments and deadlines. Create a to-do list. Write down everything you need to do on a notebook. Then pick the top 5 items and work on getting them done first. Using a timer can help you manage study sessions effectively. Technique number 2, set up a study environment. It is important to have a designated study area that is free from distractions. Choose a study space that is quite well lit and in a low noise and traffic area. Don't choose dining table as your study area, as it is going to distract you by various means like family members, siblings, and many other things. You can switch off your mobile phone. It is better to minimize visual and noise distractions. Designing a comfortable study space is a crucial study hack for every student. Avoid studying too close to your bed, as this may tempt you to take a nap. Technique number 3, mindful studying. Minimize distractions and avoid multitasking. Practice mindfulness techniques like breathing, meditation before studying. Stay hydrated and eat healthy snacks. Technique number 4, don't just reread your notes. Create concept maps and organizers. Map visual concepts and informations. Create acronyms, rhymes, and memory devices and summarize key concepts in your own words. Technique number 5, seek help when needed. Talk to your teachers, classmates, join study groups for peer learning and support. Your teacher is a resource who's there to be used. Utilize online resources and educational websites. Take advantage of online resources and libraries. I hope you have liked this video. I would like to conclude by saying that in order to have an effective study method, you need to minimize distractions, organize your space, have good lighting, comfortable seating, take effective breaks, use online resources, and don't be afraid to ask for help. If you like this video, please do like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more better videos. Thank you.